Hi guys, this is Epson L3110 waste padding counter problem. Today I show you how to resolve it. You can copy the machine ID this to notepad, then press OK. Go to keygen folder, open this, go to license manager, there is already a key registered to delete the license. Yes, add license. You can copy the machine ID, type your name in customer, and in this hardware ID you can paste the ID. Paste the ID, save, create license key created successfully. Okay, close the keygen, again close this. You can see in your keygen folder Abhishek license is created. Copy all the files, go to your resetter software, paste all the files and copy and replace. When all the files copy and replace, you can open adjustment program. This shows the ID is registered to your laptop. Select the port is auto selection, or you can manually select from here. Okay, go to particle adjustment mode. In here you can see waste ink pad counter. Now you see printer is blinking, both red LEDs blinking. Select waste pad counter. Okay, select main pad counter, check. Now you can see your counter is over. Again main pad, select main pad counter, select initialize. You can see, please turn off the printer. Click on OK. Now we turn off the printer. You can see the waste pad counter is ready to use, and your error is gone. Now your error is gone, your printer is ready to print. If anyone want adjustment program, mail me. My mail id is given in description. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Now I should showing you how printer is ready to print. Current page. Okay. Okay. Thank you and subscribe my channel.